What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. So the whole market is still red, but Lunar Classic somehow is up 8%, 0.00042, which is wild, right? 42. The volume now down a little bit, 23% down at $2 billion. $2 billion is still a huge amount of money, and the market cap, 2.6 billion. 2.6 billion, almost the whole market cap being traded daily, which is wild for a coin, especially in a bear market. You can see that the uptrend is pretty incredible here on the 3-month chart. If we do head over to TradingView, we can see here that we had maybe a potential little double top coming in here. That looks a lot like the DXY, but yes, a potential double top happening here. So we may have a retest going down, or if we can break back above this 4.4 mark here, just another higher high, which would be very nice to see. You can see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, potentially a higher low, and now we're going to decide whether or not we're going to pump up, which would be awesome if we continue to go, wild in this market, where the overall cryptocurrency market today is down 4%, so $946 billion for the overall market. So the market is not looking good. Bitcoin not looking good. Ethereum not looking good. Essentially all of the blue chips and probably the top 100 here not looking good at all, but Terra Classic still being the standout. Wild stuff, wild stuff. If we do check out the Bitcoin chart more closely here, we can see exactly this support/buy zone that I put in a few days ago is holding up very nicely. We came down and tested the lower regions, and now we are just deciding what is going to happen next here. If I was crazy, I would put in a buy or a long position here. Not something that I'm personally doing right now. I'm waiting to see if we can see more of a trend come into this market before I make any decisions. But if you did want to put a trade here, either short if we do break here, or long if you wanted to do that yourself, not financial advice, obviously, you can open up yourself an account over on Binance. Binance is one of the best exchanges in my opinion. I've been trading with them for over 5 years. They've never done, nothing bad has ever happened on Binance. I've never been locked out of my crypto. I've always had access, all of that sort of stuff. They have up to 10 times less fees than some of the biggest exchanges out there. $76 billion worth of trading volume in a 24-hour period, which means there's enough liquidity for you guys to get in and out very easily from your trades. So if you do want to sign up right now, there's a link down there in my description, and you can get up to $600 in bonuses, which you may as well make the best of right now. In my opinion, that signing up to Binance is essentially risk-free. Of course, that's my opinion, but I still hold a lot of my crypto over on Binance because I trust it myself. Now, let's move on to the big news today. Kucoin has officially said they will support the 1.2% tax burn proposal of Terra Classic. This is pretty huge, right? If we go over here and we click on markets, we can see Kucoin right now is the second largest exchange that people are trading Terra Classic on right now. Around 10% of the trading volume happens on Kucoin, which is around 200 million. Is that right? 2 billion is 10% of 2 billion. 200 million. Is that right? That's right, right? Yeah, that sounds right. 200 million a day. Stephen Clark agrees. I saw his thumb up approval for my math, but that's huge, right? Of course, we want Binance to do it and the other exchanges, but this is massive news in the right direction for us. And this could lead to huge amounts of burns coming into the market, which would be awesome, right? And just to see one of the biggest exchanges, in fact, the number 2 largest exchange with our ecosystem here coming in and supporting the tax, I think will be massive, right? This is probably one of the reasons why we're still pumping in this market. And I mean, it's great news. It's great news. I'm surprised that they've come out so soon and said this. So it's great to see this. I think that the more exchanges that come out that announce this, the more positive price action we're going to have. With that said, we do have the DXY still pumping up, which is normally an indicator for the market to not be so hot. So definitely pay attention to this. Take profits when you see profits, when you see fit, and stay safe out there. I think that's the most important thing, is protecting our downside. Remember, the overall market is in extreme fear right now at a 24. Bitcoin is not currently looking too hot. If we do have another trapdoor moment coming into the market here, it could be very bad. I do think that coming down to test the 14,000 is possible. Retesting the 17,000 is definitely on the cards in my opinion. And if that level is lost, a quick wick or a few days or a few weeks down here at the lower levels of around 14,000, I think is possible. Those are levels of support that we saw back in the last bear market before we moved back into the bull. So that's what I'm seeing over here on the Bitcoin chart. Hopefully you're excited about the market, and I did provide you with some value. Remember that over here on this channel, we are burning Luna Classic with this money right now. $1,909 has been generated. Absolutely incredible. So I'm going to be taking that. I'm going to be buying Luna Classic, and I did put it to a vote here on the channel. So I'm going to be buying the Luna Classic, and I'm going to be sending it to the burn address. I'm going to show you guys the whole process of that, and we're going to call it Crypto Connor's community burn or something along those lines. So super exciting stuff. I've never seen anyone do anything like that, so I'm so excited to do that with you guys. If we do head down here, only 23% of you guys are currently subscribed to the channel. So come on, just for a second, smash a like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a little comment down there. Tell me how much you hate me or how much you like these videos. Both of them are appreciated because they help the algorithm, and I will see you guys in the next one.